Hello students, today I'm going to walk you through the steps of acquiring a template for your Spanish portfolio. It's pretty easy, so just follow along. First, you'll go to your particular section on Canvas. On the left-hand side, you'll locate the Digication menu. Click the Digication and it will launch a splash page. If it doesn't launch the splash page, you may have to go accept some terms before it does this. However, quickly you'll see this splash page that connects Digication, a third-party program, with Canvas. So you'll click Add Portfolio. Now your professor has shared a student template with you that you'll be filling out throughout the semester. So you'll click Use this template. Depending on how many portfolios you have, you may only have a blue rectangle here. So click the Create button. This may take a couple of seconds as it's copying and creating the portfolio based on the template, and there's a lot of text and whatnot. When it's done, it will automatically populate into a new window. This red icon next to the person icon here is letting us know that we need to do some things. When you initially set up your portfolio, you have to establish the recommended settings. You only have to do this once, but you'll verify your name, your URL for your portfolio, and then you'll see that you're the admin of your portfolio, and only the people in your Spanish class, the faculty, and the students can see your portfolios. They can't do anything with your portfolios. So you verify that these settings are here. You can click here, publish this page, that will publish the first page that you'll be working on, or you can click publish all pages, which will show you all of the work that you'll be doing over the course of the semester. I'm going to click publish pages. You'll see the outline of the portfolio, so click publish. From here, you see that everything's been published. We no longer have a red button next to our person icon. If we want to verify that we've done it correctly, we can see here where it says View Published Version. Now we see our portfolio. You see the instructions, the text are gone because this is what your peers and your professor will see, your final work on your portfolio. So to go back to this, we simply click the button at the top. To verify that we've done it correctly, we return to the Digication splash page and refresh. Your portfolio now will show up in the top right, and your peers will populate at the bottom as they create their portfolios. So congratulations, you've just created your own Digication portfolio.